we're going to fit a door viewer into this door. A door viewer is handy in a solid door like this because it means you can actually see who's on the other side of the door before you open it. And this is the one we've actually bought, which is a chrome one. And if you unscrew it, it separates into two separate components. And that port is the widest port of the door viewer. So I've gone out and I've bought a drill bit, which is exactly that size, which is 14mm. Now, rather than putting a 14mm hole straight through the door and then trying it, I've actually drilled an hole in this scrap piece of wood using the 14mm bit. And you can see that we've got a nice tight fit in there. So we know that we're using the correct size drill for the hole that we need. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drill a hole in the centre of there, because that's the correct height for people to see out. So I'll put the flat wood bit into the drill there. So now what I need to do is drill an hole through there, but I don't want to go from the inside out, I want to go from the outside in. And also, before I get all the way through, I'm going to stop and then I'm going to drill from this side as well, so that the two holes actually meet each other. So I'm just going to hold that up there, and then I'm going to put a mark on there using the insulation tape. Now when I drill through there from the outside, I know that if I stop when I get to the start of the tape there, I'll have a point sticking through this side, and then I can turn around and I can drill the door from this side. It's important when you do this that you've got the drill in the forwards gear, so that means that it's turning clockwise as you hold the drill away from yourself. And also you need to make sure that the drill is level when you're drilling through the door. You don't want it on an angle of any description, you want it perfectly straight. So now we're going to drill through from this side to the other side. And when you drill the hole, just give it a good blowout. This particular model comes with a cover, so what we need to do is feed the back piece of the viewer through the cover. And then when that's fitted in there, you can close it up. So now we're going to take that component on the inside and the actual viewer itself and screw that in from the outside. So all we need to do is push that in there and then screw this in from the back. And now we need to tighten the door viewer up. So I'm going to use this, which is a small spanner. But it's got a nice flat edge on there, which will nicely fit in the two slots at each side of the door viewer. So I'll just put that in there and give it a couple of turns until it's tight. And that's quite tight now, so that should do. And that's the actual view we get now when we look through the door viewer.